Wouldn't it help us all understand the process better if there were TV cameras in the court?
That is perhaps not. Why not? Well, I think we don't really know. The truth is. And what we're worried about is the point you just made, that the oral argument is overly emphasized by the press. Would be worse with a camera, because when you see somebody, you tend to think, this is the good one, this is the bad one. You know, you tend to categorize even more than when you read about it. And yet what we're deciding is for 320 million who aren't in that courtroom. And that's the question that might not come across. And we might be a symbol, be everywhere. Think of a criminal case. Witness is afraid to testify. The jury doesn't want to be identified. Well, on the other hand, it'd be a great teaching device. I mean, people would see that we're serious and that these are difficult cases and there are things on both sides. So what do I think kind of tips the balance here? At the moment, journalists, your colleagues have told me this, not all but some. Wait till you see the first time you're on television in a way that they depict as totally opposite to what you meant. But they have the picture there, and people, you'll be more careful what you ask. I say, hey, I'm used to asking questions with journalists present. They're all there. They write about the case. People can read it. I mean, they put it on television. You well know that. They say, no, no. Wait till you see yourself, the television image, and it's very bad. Nino used to say sometimes they have a terrible picture of you that they put in the paper, Torquemada or something, when they disagree with the decision, and a lovely one when they agree with it. But leave that aside. You will be careful, and I don't want to be careful. I don't want to be careful when I'm asking questions. Sometimes that gets me into trouble. I ask a really weird question. But normally I'm trying to get that lawyer drawn in, and I'm trying to work with that lawyer and trying to get her to, you know, help me out here, help me. It doesn't always work, but that's the object. And so we're conservative, all of us on this. Eventually TV will be there. Because as we know, generations will grow up and they just won't understand why it isn't there. All right, but the judges who are there now are not in that generation. And so it will be a while.